Good day, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the details of the 2025 Dacia Sandero. This vehicle has generated considerable buzz, promising to redefine the budget-friendly hatchback segment. Let's start with power and performance. We anticipate the 2025 Sandero to offer a range of efficient petrol engines, prioritizing fuel economy without compromising on urban driving dynamics. Expect refined performance and a comfortable ride. Under the hood, Dacia is likely to refine its existing engine lineup, focusing on improved efficiency and reduced emissions. We can anticipate the continuation of naturally aspirated units, possibly with mild hybrid technology for enhanced fuel economy. Step inside the Sandero, and you'll find a cabin that prioritizes practicality and simplicity. Expect a straightforward layout with easy-to-use controls. While not a luxury haven, the interior is anticipated to offer a noticeable improvement in terms of material quality and overall refinement compared to its predecessor. As for the release date and pricing, official information is still under wraps. However, given Dacia's reputation for affordability, the 2025 Sandero is expected to remain a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Dacia Sandero appears poised to build upon its predecessor's strengths while incorporating modern refinements. With a focus on efficiency, practicality, and affordability, it aims to continue its role as a compelling choice for drivers seeking a no-frills yet reliable companion. We eagerly await the official launch to provide a comprehensive review. Stay tuned for updates as more information becomes available. Thank you for watching.